is gonna fuck him up. He ain't fuck him up.
Laughing, MIA hitting plays, dodge off in the cabin. I got this bitch, yeah, look bad, ask her when we matching. I had fell in love with Dwet, nigga, that's my passion. Yeah, though I be going broke, man, I can't imagine. Try to take my telly down, so I started trapping. I swear.
You see this shit? Oh shit! That was so crazy. Look at this full body. Come on, bro. That nigga, he sliding that shit. He sliding that shit. Hey, YouTube, hey, make sure y'all subscribe to the content. That nigga definitely sliding that shit. I ain't even gonna hold you. He did his shit. Where them dope boys at? We here. Put them out there. Wait, where my dope boys at? Where my Charleston boys at? Alright. Yeah, nigga. Oh, there they go. Where them dope boys at?
So Brody let me on because the beat smacking. Man, I make that all this and this like it's magic. Niggas running with the water and this shit is tragic. And we rolling to the shit like it's not even happening. So man, that's a lot of all that happened. Man, I'm in the bitches when that shit invested.
Boy probably think I can't spin. Hold on. Hey, yo, hey, catch the door now. Boy, I need to move out the way. Hey, Joe. Got traction off. Fuck.
Y'all was gonna pack us up, right?
Who said that?
Y'all members said was gonna pack us up.
Members did say that.
What's going on? Somebody
bro, I ain't gonna
on live. No. Somebody on live told me yesterday they was gonna fuck Thirsty up.
Oh.
What's that nigga in the orange day? The orange day.
Oh, hey, that's another one.
The orange day told me he was gonna fuck Thirsty up.
The one that was ahead?
Yeah.
The one that was ahead was
Where he at? He ducking now. See, I don't know.
He ain't ducking, he just slid.
He ain't slide with Thirsty. He said he was gonna fuck him up. He ain't fuck him up.
Pull up me.
Come on.
He gotta pull up me.
No, you don't know.
Hey, Thirsty.
That shit open. That shit don't count, bro.
He gonna fuck you up there. Where he at?
I don't got no clips. No clips gonna be here. Me sliding, bro.
Y'all got some soggy ass members though. I ain't gonna hold it. Y'all got some soggy ass members.
Look. That red scat, she don't slide, bro. She don't slide.
Soggy.
Okay, no, you guys say soggy. Who else? That gray scat wasn't soggy now.
Gray scat?
Nah, he wasn't soggy, bro. He ain't soggy. He slid out Thunder Valley. He wasn't soggy, bro. Who else?
Where Reem at?
Reem in Atlanta, bro.
Oh, okay.
Nigga, y'all remember soggy as hell.
We don't spin.
Somebody told me they was gonna fuck Thirsty up, and I ain't. And he ain't just.
Sim's really the only one who spins.
That's
Sim's
what I'm
not
saying.
here.
That would have been a good ass.
Yeah, Sim's not here.
Fuck.
Sim's the only one who
Hey,
spins.
but this is Last Man Standing Project X. The last one didn't go good, but you see what's going on right now.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my boy.
Hey, subscribe to him. Tap in. Your mama's
Yes,
a bitch.
sir.
Your mama's a bitch, nigga.
You hear that?
Fuck, nigga.
no. Oh, yeah.
Talk him into. I said, man, what the fuck is you doing? He's like, new tires. I'm buying that shit. Nigga, get in the pit, nigga. Get out there. My young boy, man. Young Constant Bull, man. Yes, boys. How about we pick cars to slide? How you want to do this? Who's trying to talk? Nah, let me get on it. Let me get on it. Let me get on it. I'm trying to talk. Hold on. This nigga's drunk. He don't know how to hold a fucking mic. Okay, we gonna get some. Hey, other side, jacket. Oh,
I ain't know how to work this shit. Hey, y'all over that way right there. All right, see shit more from that in the parking lot. Somebody gonna get out there and slide or what? Goddammit!
All right.
Hey, that Peter over there backing up, take your ass out here. You look like you slide. Yeah, we outside now. We outside now. Just take a little shit talking. That's it.
That's all we gonna get for the meeting. That's all we gonna get.
He said y'all ain't his way, to be honest.
That's my dog. That's gas.
dog.
Man, talk me to keep you. Fuck this, talk.
I know exactly who that is.
She knew, huh?
Hell no, she don't need. Hey, y'all seen that? I told you we had something for y'all. I'm telling y'all. Damn. She want a real long.